Dear friends, we study today formula method to solve quadratic equations. We know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to R, that is real numbers, a is not equal to 0. Then the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. These two roots denoted by alpha and beta, therefore alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. We can write alpha is equal to minus b plus or alpha is equal to minus b minus. In this case alpha is greater than beta, and if we write alpha is equal to minus b, that is this one, then alpha is less than beta. Now find the values of a, b, c from the equation. Our equation is x square minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is the standard form of quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 7. Now solve the following examples using formula method. Solve the following using formula method. First example is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore we have to first of all we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 5. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to b square 2 square minus 4 into a 1 into c minus 5 is equal to 2 square 4 minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20 is equal to 24. Therefore the value of b square minus 4ac is 24. Now write the roots. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and substitute the values. We get minus b is equal to 2 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, that is 24 upon 2 into a, that is a is equal to 1 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 24 means 4 into 6. 4 into 6 square root of 4 is 2, therefore 2 under root 6 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to divide by 2 minus 1 plus minus under root 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 6 or x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 6. Therefore minus 1 plus under root 6 and minus 1 minus under root 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now look at the second example. Second example is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to 2. Find the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 12 square minus 4 into 9 into 2 is equal to 12 square 144 minus 9 4s are 36, 36 into 2 72, 144 minus 72, 4 minus 2 2, 14 minus 7 7. Therefore roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. X is equal to minus b is minus 12 plus minus square root of 72 upon 2 into 9 is equal to minus into minus plus 12 plus minus 72. 72 factors of 72 are 36 into 2. 36 is the perfect square number. Its square root is 6. Therefore 72 is equal to 6 under root 2 upon 9 2s are 18. Therefore x is equal to 12, 6 and 18 are divisible by 6. So divide them by 6. 6 2s are 12 plus minus 6 1s are 6 square root of 2 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus under root 2 upon 3, or x is equal to 2 minus under root 2 upon 3. Therefore 2 plus 2 plus square root of 2 upon 3 and 2 minus square root of 2 upon 3 are the roots of given equation. Then third example is 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. First of all, write this equation in the standard form. We get 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 7. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into a 5 into c minus 7 is equal to minus 4 square 16 minus into plus minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, 20 into 7 140 is equal to 156. Now the roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of 156 minus b minus 4 upon 2 into a, that is 5. Therefore x is equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus minus 156. Find the factors of 156. 156, this is divisible by 4 into 4 3s are 12, 3 4 9s are 36. Therefore 1 under root 156 is equal to 2 under root 39 upon 2 5s are 10. Is equal to 2, 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. Therefore 2 plus minus under root 39 upon 5. Or x is equal to 2 plus under root 39 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus square root of 39 upon 5. Therefore 2 plus under root 39 upon 5 and 2 minus under root 39 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Friends, in this way you may solve various numbers of examples by using formula method. Try to solve all the questions in practice set number 2.3 as well as 2.3 not 2.4 as well as in the practice set 2, problem set 2. Thank you. बंद कर किती